وآتاكم من كل ما سألتموه وإن تعدوا نعمة الله لا تحصوها إن الإنسان لظلوم كفار.
And He has given you everything you asked for. Message from this ayat. He is Allah. Who is there who came before Him in a state of fear and dread and was not granted peace? Who is there who came to Him in distress and was not helped? Who is there who came to His door for help and did not get help? Who is there who came to His court overwhelmed with grief and his sorrows were not healed? Who is there who has come to His court bewildered and has not been guided? Choose the timing when dua is usually accepted and supplicate continuously. Stand in front of Almighty Allah during late night through Qiyam Al-Lail. Remember, supplications are not rejected after Qiyam Al-Lail. Have complete faith in your Lord Almighty Allah. Remember, hands raised with your supplication in front of Almighty Allah never returns empty-handed. But first of all, take care that your income and sustenance should be halal. It is mentioned in the Holy Hadith, adopt purity, halal, in your food, your prayers will be accepted.